Good morning, YouTubers. I'm out here on this beautiful winter morning. It isn't too cold. I'm getting lots of pictures, doing some time lapses, having all kinds of fun. But I'm out here for a second reason today, and that is because I picked up the Rode VideoMicro, which is what I am recording the sound of this audio right now. And prior to buying this, I watched all kinds of videos of people, you know, testing this out, taking it outside, and they'd be like, oh, there's a little bit of wind, and here's what it sounds like without it, and here's like what it sounds like with it. And yeah, like you notice a little bit of a difference, but you know, no one really went out there and did some kind of like extreme noise test to find out if this is really worth buying. Is this really gonna make, you know, your adventure videos and hiking videos and stuff in high winds, or you know, when there's other elements around, is it going to drown out that noise? So today I'm going to put it to an extreme test that I'll put the link in the description below, but I do not make a commission on it. I'm not doing any kind of affiliate program. And yeah, I'm going to go grab some coffee, warm up now, maybe charge the battery a little bit. Let's get today's vlog going. I'm getting super cold, so alright, so I'm here at Wilson's Falls. It's one of my favorite places to come and hike. You know, it's local for me, right in town. And when I've come here in the past to vlog, the waterfall created nothing but extreme noise. It was really hard to hear me. So I figured what better place to come and try and test out this Rode VideoMicro and see how it works. And then maybe afterwards we'll kick it up a notch. But it's a 5-minute hike out there to the falls, so let's commence the B-roll, and I'll see you there. Alright, so I'm right next to the falls. I'm as close as I can get. I'm trying not to speak too loud, even though it's hard to hear. It's so loud here, but just to see how this mic is gonna work. So now is the ultimate test. This is what it sounds like now, and this is what it sounds like without the mic. What it sounds like with the mic, and this is what it sounds like without the mic. Okay, I'm excited to see what kind of results we're gonna get from this mic. Couldn't really tell from where I was how that test went, so I'll have to take the footage back home and see how that audio stands up to the test. But as I climb my way out of this mess, I'm gonna take you guys about 10 miles up the same river here to another place called High Falls. It's a lot bigger of a fall system, a lot louder. So we're gonna kick this up a notch and see how much this small $80 Canadian Rode Micro holds up to that test. And then I'll take it back, figure out the footage, see how it goes. The path that I'm walking on is so slippery, I feel like a kid again. Whee! Here we go, good one. I just got here to the High Falls Park. Doesn't look like I'm the only person here today. Lots of people come out to enjoy this warmer winter day. Just give you guys a quick look at what we're dealing with. And I'm gonna go down and see if I can get closer to the falls. See if I can get some more noise. See, in the summertime I can't even get this close to the falls because this snow that I'm walking on isn't here. They're just big rocks and the water level's higher. So this is kind of neat. I can actually get right up close. Maybe I'll get some cool pictures after the test. We'll see. Mic on. Now this is with the mic off. Mic on. Now this is with the mic off. Alright, so I'm going to take this back and see how this went, do a final conclusion. First I'm going to take some pictures and I'll see you guys when I get back to the house. Okay, so now that we're back and I have reviewed the video, I want to say that I feel like I got my money's worth from this mic. It does exactly what an $80 shotgun mic should do. The quality wasn't necessarily much better than the internal mic that I have on my phone or this camera that I'm shooting on now. I did notice when I was editing that the sound had a slightly higher dynamic range, which is good. What I found is that it canceled out the noise from the waterfall and I was able to hear myself better, which is going to make these adventure videos better. So if you guys were considering this mic and how it works so that it drowns out traffic noise or waterfalls or wind noise or whatever, I have to say that I was happy with the results. As you can see during the second test, when I was at the larger waterfall, when I would pan from the waterfall to myself, mic on, it canceled out the noise a little bit and I was able to hear myself, which is exactly what I wanted. The one thing I should note is that I wish I had have done a sound test or like a swap between the internal and the Rode VideoMicro at the beginning. As you see when in the video I pointed out that it was extremely windy and I was actually extremely impressed with its capabilities of blocking out the wind when you have the dead cat on. So, and for you guys that don't know what a dead cat is, it's the little fluffy guy that comes on the mic. So you pop that on, wind noise cancels out, and your adventure videos become a lot better. So I hope that you guys liked this video and got something out of it. If you were considering this mic, I'll have a link for it down below. Just a reminder, I do not make a commission off that. I'm not a part of an affiliate program. Thank you for watching. Give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.